Today I'm going to take you on a tour through Jaygo. We've had a number of requests. She is an Amel Super Maramu built in 1998, hull number 224. These boats are designed for 2 people to sail offshore and to do it very comfortably. The dining area or saloon area holds up to 8 to 9 people and the table can be extended. On our starboard side we have a bed that slides out for extra crew and slides back in to keep it nice and tidy. Above the bed there is an extendable TV and DVD that can be extended out and then stowed away. The galley and the dining area is open plan. You'll notice plenty of grab rails which comes in very handy when you're offshore sailing. In the galley we have all the mod cons. There is a microwave, we have fan, toaster, induction hot plate cooker. Underneath, tucked away in this cupboard, is a washing machine, can be also accessed from the top. We have a gas stove, gas oven, fridge freezer. There's also another freezer underneath the lounge chair. The boat is fully air conditioned as well, and underneath the sink is an ice maker. Used to be a dishwasher. We also have a water maker. We can hold 1,000 litres of water. Easy access to the autopilot. We have one at the front and we have another one at the back. This is our nav table where we do our navigation and radio calls, or if you need to use the desk to do any computer work. Going to move through to the sea berth. You may have seen in other videos where we've shown you how handy this is to have a sea berth. We have a little bit of storage for fishing rods, and over to the right is a dining table that is used up in the cockpit and through into the main cabin and back head. We have 2 heads on the boat, and for our non-yachty friends, the ensuite. It has a shower and toilet, is joined together, and the shower is just controlled by the hose, and you have a curtain that comes around you, so it's a whole wet space. Once you move through into the back bedroom, it's sort of an L-shaped bed. Comes in very handy when you're at sea rolling in different directions, and we've also put a inner spring mattress to just make it more comfortable. Moving through to the bow of the boat, these doors, we have 5 watertight compartments. So I'm going to show you how we would lock that off for this door. We also have one at the chain locker, which is further up. We have another one to the back of the boat into the main cabin, the engine room and the lazarette. Just taking it off now, and then we pop that away just off to the right hand side. We will now head through to the bow of the boat, or the V berth. The head is on your left, or ensuite. This V berth has the ability to turn into a queen size bed by filling the centre in and keeping the lounge on your right. It also has plenty of storage, cool breeze through the front hatch, electric fan, and then can be closed off. So you can keep this as an ensuite setup, or you can close it off and still keep it open to the rest of the boat. Same as the back head, it has a shower behind the door attached to like a hose attachment, and it is a full wet space toilet and shower. This massive cupboard is where we keep our scooters and boards and other inflatables. Okay, show us the engine.
Oh, the engine room?
What sort of motor is that, Rob?
It's a Volvo, dear. It's a TMD 22 Volvo.
I am not mechanical. This is not my room.
That's the generator over there, and that's a 3-cylinder Kubota.
This is?
Yeah.
I'll hop in there and I'll show you around. It's quite big actually.
This is a fuel tank, 600 litres of diesel. The engine's a Volvo, 78 horsepower, 4-cylinder turbo diesel. I think she just showed you the fuel filters at the back there. Down in the corner here is the main water intake for the boat. That's the sea strainer, and there's a manifold coming off that, which supplies a lot of different stuff with seawater as you come in. Up here is the oil reservoir for the sea drive gearbox. This is the main bilge down here, and that's the float switch for the automatic bilge pump. This is the automatic bilge pump. There's also a manual one up here. As she sweeps around, you can see the primary filter for the water maker. Above, where is it? Sorry, this is the carbon filter for the water maker. The primary filter's down there. And over on the bulkhead here is the water maker. And,
oh yeah, in here.
Yeah.
Yep.
And that runs off 240 volts or 24 volts. It's a pretty sweet system. The pump's down there at the bottom. Okay, these big blue boxes that he's looking at there, they're the battery chargers. One's an inverter charger and one's just a straight out battery charger for redundancy. This is the own-end generator, run by a 3-cylinder Kubota diesel. Behind that there's the hot water system, and what else have we got down here? Down the bottom here are just the main fresh water pump, and also the big blue pump there is for the air conditioning. But it's quite roomy and it's easy to work in.
Yeah, you move around.
Yeah, you can get all around the engine. It's really easy to service the
Go through here. Get around in here.
Hopefully it's not too messy down there.
No, it's pretty clean actually.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. We are now just going to head up into the cockpit, or our entertainment area. Jaygo is a catch, or these beautiful Amels have a great space where we can entertain but also stay very safe when out at sea. So it can be fully enclosed with clears that we've made, designed to close us in from the weather, and easy access in and out as well. The back deck we have a wind tunnel at the moment attached to the back. It also leads out to our dinghy. We have the davits, which are electric, that pulls it up, and we have 2 solar panels, one on our port and one on our starboard side. Moving to the bow of the boat, we've got nice big wide clear decks. Just makes it easy to move about and is much safer. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of our home on Jaygo.